hello. How are you? Do you like your new floor? Yes. Here we go. Here's the one that I've been wanting to show you guys. It's taken us a good 2 weeks to get to this point. Yeah, I've been really wanting to show you. So here we go. This will be a quick one. I'll be coming back in next week to take some proper shots and video of it. I'll show you very quickly. So as you saw before, this was a dark floor that we put down 9 years ago for this customer, and just simply wanted a colour change. This floor's still brand new, you know, but looking completely different now. So the floor, obviously, biggest expanse in a house. Get out right and build on it, and it looks amazing. So yeah, proud of this one. Did this one without actually taking any of the skirting boards off, apart from a couple which didn't match. So through here, big long step there as well. This is the bit that took the time, as before. Down here, put these lights behind the skirting board just to light that wall up at night. I'll show you some pictures of that. Bit of tweaking to do on that, hopefully. The stairs, that took a bit of time to do. Show you up there in a minute. Before, we didn't do the utility room and through into here as well. So this was all on level in here as well. Took the carpet up to level all this off. And also into the dressing room as well. Very nice, organised, unlike mine. Underneath all the wardrobes there. I got killed for showing you in there. So like I say, up the stairs here as well. These are pretty difficult to strip off. Look at that. And along the other side as well. So this is a laminate floor. This is Quickstep Impressive, classic oak beige. And you've seen it on many of my photos before. It is an extremely popular board that we do. So it comes with a 25-year warranty on the floor. It is actually one of the only waterproof laminates on the market. And everything that we do as well, as master installers, and the UK's first master installer, comes with a lifetime installation warranty. So if there's ever an issue with the floor itself, there's no fighting between who fitted the floor or a product fault, which is something that you'll find very often with flooring manufacturers. We're always here to put it right or find a resolution to put the floor right if there is a problem. So there we go. Like I say, I will take some more pictures and videos of this in the coming, in about a week or so. So watch this space. Lovely.